Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest notification update from Captain Tech World. Hey people, welcome to channel, and today in this video we'll see how we can schedule our YouTube videos and we can upload our YouTube videos as per our convenient time. So it may be today, it may be tomorrow, it may be day after tomorrow, or it may be next month. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll choose the date. So suppose if I choose 24th. Now notice here that I have pretty much filled everything. Basic info, translation, advanced settings, tags, everything I have filled. So you can see public, unlisted, private and schedule. You need to select the date in schedule and you need to choose the desired date. Now you need to set the timing, like when do you want that video to be uploaded and as per what local time. So I choose the local time of India, so that is plus 5:30. So let's search it. Okay, I got it, and all I need to do is publish. So once I publish it, I'll get this message. So your video will be published on Wednesday 24th October 2018. So on that day my video will be published. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.